Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about how to re-invoice service and materials directly to the customers. So let's dive into the sales module, and you can see that we have a new service and material menu under to invoice. So from this, we can see that Odoo 20 introduces a dedicated menu within the sales module that allows the users to manage and re-invoice service and materials directly to the customers without creating separate expense entries, and thus allows the flexible billing model. So to manage with this, first we need to consider a product. I'll be considering the product as delivery charge, and you can set it over here. So users can configure product to be billed at either a fixed sale price or based on cost, and this supports various business needs from the consulting to constructions. So once it's done, you can just move on to an order. You can just consider a quotation over here. So I'll be choosing the quotation, and you can find that currently we have different products in the quotations, and we just need to add the service charge into this. Okay. So I'll be moving on to invoice, and let me choose the service and materials over here. Later on, you can click on new button, and you can see that we have the customer order, and I'll be choosing it. You can choose the product over here. In this case, I would like to add a delivery charge and with one quantity, and it will be 1 hour. You can set the hour. If you just want to add any particular descriptions, you can just add it. If you want to add any sales order line over here, you can also just add it over here. Okay. So once it's done, you can just move on to the orders, and in the order, you can directly move from here. Okay, let me move on to the order over here, and you can see that the delivery charge will be directly added over here. And you can see that the delivery is one, and the amount is just added over here, and that will be calculated. Okay, so you can set the quantity over here as one, and that will be added, and we don't need to apply the taxes of the discounts over there, and the amount is successfully added over here. Previously, we know we have to choose the expense module in order to manage the reinvoicing of the expenses. So while you just want to manage with this, what you have to do is, when you just create the product type must be service, and under the sales, you can see that you can just plan it as sales price. Now you can also just plan the delivery charge during the costing, at cost also. So for that, I'll be considering another product, let's say packaging, and I'll be setting the product as service, and under the sales, you can see that I'll be setting it as at cost, and you just need to set the cost over here. As we just choose at price, you have to set the sales price. Right now I'll be choosing cost over here, so you can choose it as you just need to set the cost field over there. So once it's done, now let's move on to the service and materials, and let me create another one. Okay, so in this case, I'll be choosing the other one, and the product will be package. Okay, as I choose the packaging, you can see that I would like to choose the quantity as 2 over here, and you can see that the sale order line has been added. Now as you just move on to the order lines, you can see it will be added over here, and the cost has been calculated. You can find the cost that has taken. We don't need to apply any discounts for this, and you can see that the amount will be reflecting over here. Okay, so currently you can see that the amount will be reflecting over here. We don't need to apply any discounts. So let me remove the discounts, and you can find the unit price will be 20 over here. Okay, that will be applied over here due to some issues in the loading. You can see it's not loaded over here properly, and you can see that there had some discounts which been applied. So that's how we manage with the re-invoice service and materials at to the customers directly. And that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And thank you for watching the video.